Tap. Giving head taps, let tat. They said that they were.
Welcome back to another video. So this is a new video. This is a new slay. This is a new day. And we're just gonna get into it, okay? This video is gonna be how to glow up your business. See what's the problem in your business, like what's going wrong, why you're not getting sales, why you're not getting traffic, why you're not getting any type of engagement. We're gonna see those problems and we're gonna fix it today, honey, okay? If you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get all the notifications when I post, okay, darling? And like this video for more. And I just want to say it's 2 more days to my birthday, May 19th. Taurus gay, you already know. Period. I'm gonna go to packaging first. If you don't know, like, packaging really means a lot when you have your own business. Like, it's something that's not really important, but honestly it really is. However your customer receive their package, it's all about first impressions. So if you're sending a package to your customer, the packaging is just like off, it's kind of cheap looking, that customer is probably not going to purchase from you anymore, or they just going to be disappointed, like, girl, like, why this packaging is looking like that. Bomb packaging, I have many videos on that, but let me tell you guys the top stores that I go to for my packaging. My boxes over here, y'all guys know I have 2 businesses. I have Anna's Dollhouse and I have Anna LaJovia's Wigs. And LaJovia's Wigs, the website will be relaunched very soon. I'm just working on some more stuff. So yeah, so I like literally all my wigs like sold out. It was so crazy. So I wanted to like rebrand my whole website. So that's why my website's not up yet. These boxes I got from papermart.com. Very affordable boxes. Papermart.com, you buy in bulk. So I bought like 20 of these boxes for I think like $10 something or $20 something, I'm not sure, but it all depends on the size. So there's different prices for different size, but these boxes are great for wigs, great for shirts, great for you know, accessories that might be a little bit bigger. Are very durable. They're not like the cheap kind. You know, I have the 2 flaps on the side. Open it, and there we go. Those are great boxes for a customer to keep. You know, you don't want your packaging to be disposable, okay? Make your packaging something that the customer wants to keep for a souvenir, anything like that, okay? So packaging is very important. Papermart.com, they have boxes, they have jewelry boxes, they have a lot of stuff. They even have tissue paper, like colored tissue paper. You can get, like, if you're tired of going to Dollar Tree, getting like 10 sheets of tissue paper for $1, you gotta keep going back. Go to papermart.com and you can get like 50 pieces of tissue paper, I think for like $4 or $5. It's crazy, but yeah, they have everything in bulk. If you are ordering stuff on your website, get everything in bulk, okay? It will save money, you will profit better. Do not keep buying one of each everything. Business cards, thank you cards. I know y'all probably like, okay girl, we know this, okay? But no, then you gotta get into the nitty bitty, you gotta get into the tea, okay? You gotta. So these are both of my business cards. I got Anna's Dollhouse. Okay, they're really similar. One says thank you for your purchase. This is for Anna LaJovia's Wigs. And then on the back, I have like all the hair care instructions and everything. And then Anna's Dollhouse, on the back it just say tag Anna's Dollhouse to be reposted, stuff like that. So when it comes to business cards, thank you cards, make sure you are creative, okay? Because customers like nice things. Everybody likes to buy something that looks nice, that looks different. So make sure your design is very good. How I made these designs, I use the Photoshop app, and I also use I just use the Photoshop app in this app called Fonto. So oh, it sounds like I'm saying it. I don't mean Fonto like weed. If you guys want help with thank you card designs, business card designs, the design only right now, I'm not making any like physical cards. If you need help with design, I can help you with that for a very low price. Just DM me on Instagram and I'll get that to you. We're gonna get into websites. Now, y'all guys wanted me to talk about this for the longest, so we're gonna get into it or whatever. So websites. The website I use is Shopify. Shopify is a website platform that most everybody is using. You know, like many entrepreneurs are using this website. So they have so much options to choose from. For like, if you're new to Shopify, you want to check it out, they have a 14-day free trial. So you don't have to pay anything. You can make your website. You can see how you like it for 14 days all for free. And it's not the type of free trial, you know, where they're trying to scam you and then you gotta put your card first and then they charge you at the end. No, you don't have to put no credit card at all. And at the end of the free trial, if you decide you want to use Shopify, you just pay for the plan and that's it. If you don't like it, you don't have to pay nothing. Store will be closed, okay? Amazing thing about Shopify, you can redesign your website without closing out your website. I mean it like this. So say if you want to redesign your website, you want to add some new stuff. Some people usually close down their website. Be like, okay, we're back, we're working on stuff, and the website will be open when everything is done. Boom. Okay, with Shopify, you don't have to do this, okay? You can be redesigning a whole different website and still have your website going. Like, you can have your regular website going section. You can be creating a whole new template of a website, put new things, put new colors, and you can save it. And when you're ready to publish it for it to be your main website, you can do that. So I love that with Shopify. They have some free things you can choose from. And you can also purchase some themes. So what I mean by themes is you can purchase some website themes, many different themes to choose from. My theme I use for my website is free, okay? I don't gotta pay $200, $300, I know. So yeah, you can actually purchase a theme and hire a graphic designer, to spice it up for you. However, I don't have a graphic designer. I never had one. I've been making my website since day one. Guys, it's something that you really have to test out and do for yourself. Go to Shopify and play around with the themes. Sometimes the best things to learn, you gotta learn by yourself. That's how I learned. I really wasn't looking at how to make your website, how to do that. I wanted to learn by myself so I can really get the hang of it. I don't have to keep looking at someone else like what to do. Make if you want designs for your website, I have my layouts. I'll be having free shipping, international shipping, those little flyers on my website. You can definitely DM me too. I can make that for you guys. Get your sales up, girl. How to get your money up, how to get everything up. So when I first started my wig website, as I told y'all guys, I started it 2 years ago. It's going 2 years. I have my wig website. Girl, when the first week I told y'all I didn't have any sales, none. And this is when I had around 2K subscribers on YouTube. So I was like, okay, whatever. But boom, let me tell you, the second, third week my sales started going up, okay? It started going up because I was promoting. I kept promoting on YouTube, Instagram. I already had a YouTube channel. So basically, as my YouTube channel was growing, my business was growing also. So I have a platform that I was growing on. It's probably going to be different from, if you don't have a platform. It's probably going to be really different. You probably got to, be very consistent with it. But yeah, I had a YouTube platform. So I advise you grow a platform for yourself. Start a YouTube channel. Make an Instagram, get your Instagram popping. I'm not saying you need to be YouTube famous or Instagram famous to have a business. That's not it whatsoever, okay? There's many business owners who they're not famous at all. They just have a good business. A secret to making sales is posting on Instagram, posting aesthetic pictures on Instagram, tags, put a lot of hashtags on Instagram, hashtag explore page, hashtag beauty, hashtag necklace, whatever you're selling. Post on Instagram, they be like, oh, tag a business or tag a boutique or tag a person who make wigs. Go ahead and tag yourself in 5-10 of those posts. Okay, that's what I do. I tag myself. I shout out my business appropriately. I don't be shouting out, hey, go shop Anna's Dollhouse on somebody's picture, or I don't do that on somebody's YouTube video. I don't know. It's just, that's unprofessional. So I shout my business out at the appropriate time when it's needed. I don't shout my business out on anybody's photos and anybody's stuff like that. That's just desperate, okay? That's not the way to go. Have a YouTube channel, promote your products on your YouTube channel, okay? YouTube is my biggest platform. Self promo is the best promo, because let me tell you this is by yourself. You better promote your stuff, because nobody else is gonna do it. Unless you have a team, unless you have staff, they're gonna do it for you. But if you're doing this on your own from the ground up, girl, you need to promote your business, because nobody else is gonna do it. And fake friends, they're gonna be like, girl, fake friends, they gonna come when you have a business. They not gonna promote your shit. They not gonna promote it. They just not gonna promote it. They gonna get jealous. They going to free stuff, and it's oh, who cares, girl? Bye. So that goes with attracting people who have the same profession as you or something similar. don't be friends with nobody, don't date nobody who don't got nothing go for themselves, because they just gonna look at you like an opportunity. And baby, I'm not no opportunity, okay? Yourself with people who have goals, who will motivate you, stuff like that. Your real friends and your real family promote your stuff. Like, say if you have a problem, like, okay, I want to promote my stuff, but I don't have any like customers, you know, for them to show pictures and stuff. So listen, here's the trick. Go see a family member, your friends. Be like, hey girl, can you take a picture in this wig for me? Can you take a picture in this outfit? Can you take a picture in this for me? And let them do that for you, okay? And you're gonna attract more people. I'm gonna add diversity to my website. I'm gonna add some people to my website, like models and stuff. So I'm definitely doing that. You know what a brand ambassador is, okay? Choose your brand ambassadors that's gonna get you traffic, that's gonna give you money, that's gonna give you a larger audience, okay? Choose somebody that's you know, a little bit Instagram famous, somebody that's getting, you know, a lot of commentary, stuff like that. Don't just choose a regular Douglas person from the Bronx, from New York, from Atlanta, from Georgia, anybody, no shade, but you're not gonna get no type of traffic. You're not really gonna gain nothing from that. You're not gonna get any orders. So this is business. I don't want to give free stuff away just to give that shit away. You want to give it to somebody that's, you know, that has a good following. That's a great following. If you listen, think of it this way. If you are giving away your free product to somebody, you know you paid your money for that, and then you gotta pay for shipping too. You better make sure you're gonna gain something from that person, okay? Add new products, add new stuff. Do some DIY stuff on your website. Don't just keep having stuff on your website that you can find somewhere else. Stuff DIY, do something different with your products to attract more customers. Like, okay, that's different. I never seen that. You guys know my business, and this dollhouse. She serves clothing, accessory, jewelry, all of that. And this Sunday actually makes a month. So I launched this website on April 19th, and on May 19th is gonna make a month. May 19th is my birthday, so I'm like, okay, my birthday and 1 month anniversary of my website. So I'm like, okay, girl, it's popping. So just from almost like not even a month, I had made 5K from my website in this dollhouse, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm just like, girl, what? I made what? Like, it is so crazy. Like, I'm just so blessed. Like, it hasn't even been a month yet, guys. Like, it hasn't even been a month, like literally not in a month. And that amount might be a lot to some people, it might be low to some people. Like, honestly, I don't care. Like, that means a lot to me, and I'm so appreciative that you guys supported me. And I'm so also proud of myself for like everything that I've done on my website. Like, I'm just really proud of myself. Like, all the pictures, you know, all the pictures on my website, I took it with my iPhone 7. I took it with an iPhone 7 over here, like, and with all like the detail, the colors, the description. I took time out for that, guys. Like, it was not easy. Like, I was really struggling. I was about to be at a point like, girl, I give up, all right? But I kept going. I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so grateful for you guys for helping me along the way. Like, I have so much more to come to Anna's Dollhouse. I will be having models. I'll be having everything. So I have new clothing collections, everything. All comes from me promoting my items 24/7 and wearing my own items. Business owners like don't really like wear their stuff. Girl, you better wear your stuff. So when people are like, oh, that's nice, where you got it from? Oh, I got it from my website. Here, girl, here's a business card. Promoting and praying and manifesting and just working really hard, guys. And I'm telling you, like, literally all that I did. Like, it's no secret I'm holding back or nothing. It's just hard work and dedication and motivation. You gotta stay dedicated. You gotta hustle, all right? And you guys reach your goal. Set a goal for yourself of what you want to do. Keep promoting your keep promoting your business. Improve your website, okay? Leave Big Cartel alone. I just go with Shopify. Shopify will tell you how much money you made this month, how much you made from this month. It'll show you how much people are live on your website right now. It'll show how many people are adding stuff to their cart. It'll show how many people who sign up for your email list. You are not limited with payment, so you can actually get your money straight to your bank account. I mean, not straight to your bank account. It takes like, you know, a few 2 to 3 business days. Shopify, you can also add other payment options like offline payments, like Cash App, stuff like that. Shopify.com, start a free trial. Even if you are about to start a business and you're not ready for a website, go do that free trial anyway so you can prep yourself. Like, I prepped myself way before I wanted to start on a website to just see how everything is. So when it comes to making a website, you're not overwhelmed and not knowing what to do. You feel me? Blow up your business. If you was using tissue paper, girl, go use boxes now. Okay, girl? If you was using synthetic wigs, go use human hair wigs now, okay? Take a step up from your business. That's what I want to encourage you guys to take a step up, or even 2 steps, or go all the way, honey. Go all the way to the top. Okay? Period. Do not settle. If you're not getting sales, girl, go out and get those sales. Go make people buy from your website. Just don't sit there and wait, because honestly, you're just gonna be waiting for a while. Famous Instagram people, you know how they have story shout outs, page shout outs for like $10, $15, maybe $20. Go do that. Get a shout out. That's what I do. I get a shout out from like famous Instagram people, so I can get exposure to my YouTube channel, exposure to my business, stuff like that. Take a step up, do your thing. Do not stick where you at right now. Get up and make a change. Do something different with your website. Get different results. You gotta do different stuff to get different results. That's all. If you're doing the same thing, you're gonna get the same results, okay? Period. You keep pruning your edges and it keep falling out. You keep pruning your edges, keep falling out, you're gonna get the same results. You leave your edges natural, it's gonna grow. Okay? You gotta do something different. Hallelujah. Love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. Just know that these next videos finna be lit. I'm gonna have my birthday vlog or whatever. Y'all don't even know what's coming. I'm looking at my outfit over there like, that outfit is popping. Like, girl, I'm showing out for 20. I'm showing out for this 20 years old, okay? So yeah, I have a lot of new videos coming to you guys. I'm trying to post daily. If not daily, I'm trying to post every day. Like, y'all, I'm not crazy. Like, I've been slacking a little bit on my YouTube grind because I've been busy. But let me tell you this. I'm back on my YouTube grind, and I'm trying to get these 100K subs by the end of the year. 100K subs, the minimum, okay? I love you, and slay until you hit $1 million in your bank account.